din. Para siyang binabad sa champagne. So this pink pineapple is produced from Costa Rica. Central America. North America. South America. So yan, slice natin. Makita natin kung anong kanyang mukha. Natikman na namin yung kalahati niya. Ang sarap talaga. At meron siyang maliliit na black seeds. Iwan ko lang kung pwede itong itanim. So, ayan. Atin muna siyang slice. My husband liked it. He said it's nice. The taste is nice and sweet. Kakaiba siya sa yellow. Wala siyang aftertaste. Para talaga siyang wine. Para siyang binabad sa wine. Okay. Slice natin into bite size. Kakainin naman natin. So, ang price nito pag hindi siya nakasale ay $15. Today nakasale siya kaya sinubukan naming bumili. Pink na pink talaga siya. Para siyang pomelo. Ayan. Pink pineapple. And it's so sweet. Ayan. Mukha talaga siyang pomelo, no? Ito ang kalahati niya. Para rin siyang salmon. Weird talaga pag may nakita ka bang mga fruits na unusual, yung kakaiba sa normal na kulay. Minsan gusto mong tikman, gusto mong subukan. Pag hindi naman masyadong mahal. Sabi ng asawa ko maganda dito sa charcuterie board. Charcuterie. What is that, Giovanni? Charcuterie board. With cheese, strawberry, fruit and cheese board. Charcuterie. 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 Charcuterie.
There's all lightning, so they delayed the game.
Oh.
Cal Puke's got away.
That's good. They be puking. They have time. They have time to puke. They have time to relax. Ay, it's so bad. Come here, taste. Taste it
I
again.
can't believe Joe Burrow lost that game.
That's okay. Let's just focus on the pineapple. Come on, taste
Give me
it.
a piece of the ham.
Yeah, it looks like a ham.
What's
It
a
looks
piece
like
of
a
ham?
looks like a pomelo
Oh my
too.
God! Well, you could substitute that on somebody's plate for ham.
Yes.
That's identical.
Okay. Especially this one, if you put a glaze in it, like smothered it with red glaze,
Put other pineapple on it.
the yellow pineapple. Ah, get me a slice of the yellow pineapple so we can see the contrast, the color. Okay. So, para makita natin ang kaibahan. That's the that's the normal pineapple. See? That's the yellow pineapple.